If you're looking for flexible hourly work in 2025, BlueCrewJobs.com is probably showing up on your radar. But is it actually worth your time? Let's break it down. BlueCrew is a staffing platform that connects workers with short-term and long-term hourly jobs, mostly in warehouses, logistics, and events. Think Amazon-style shifts, warehouse associate gigs, delivery driving, and general labor. If that's the kind of work you're after, BlueCrew is designed to let you browse jobs, apply, and manage your schedule all in one app. So what's good? First, transparency. Every listing shows the hourly rate, shift length, and any physical requirements upfront. You'll know exactly what you're signing up for before you take the gig. That's rare in the temp job world. Second, you've got W-2 status. This isn't like gig apps where you're an independent contractor footing your own taxes. With BlueCrew, you're technically an employee. That means you get some benefits, protections, and in some cities, even access to things like sick leave or overtime, which is honestly kind of impossible in this nowadays. And finally, flexibility. You can pick jobs that fit your schedule or even stack shifts across the week. For people who don't want to commit to a full-time role, it offers some real breathing room. Now, the downsides. It's only available in certain U.S. cities, so if you're not in a supported location, it's pretty much a no-go. Also, jobs fill up fast because everything's handled in the app. A lot of people are tapping apply at the same time. You might find a shift only to see it vanish before you finish signing up. And depending on demand, it can be inconsistent. Some weeks, plenty of shifts, other weeks, crickets. It's not the most reliable source of income unless you're in a busy market. So, is it worth it in 2025? If you're looking for flexible hourly work and you live in a city where BlueCrew is active, yes, it is a solid option. It's not perfect and it won't replace a full-time job for everyone, but it's safer and more structured than gig apps like DoorDash or Instacart. If you're relying on it as your only income stream, it's smart to combine it with something else, or at least treat it as a short-term bridge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one.